Hi guys and girls. Hello friends at home. In this exact moment, 15 divided by 15, which equals 1, and 11 divided by 11 equals 1. Now we have this problem. 1 divided by 1, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division. 15 divided by 15 equals 1. So we have 1 divided by 11 divided by 11, and we can write this part as 1 over 11 divided by 11. So we must keep the first fraction 1 over 11 and change division to multiplication times. Then flip the second fraction 1 over 11, which equals 1 over 121. And this is our final answer for this problem. Smash that like button and subscribe to keep the content coming.